When it comes to living with purpose and meaning, there are certain principles that have stood the test of time. Today, I want to share with you 15 timeless lessons drawn from the wisdom of Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, combined with insights from my own journey. These principles can help you excel in every aspect of life, regardless of what it throws your way. These aren't outdated ideas. They're guiding lights for personal growth and resilience in today's world. Whether you're seasoned in seeking wisdom or just stepping onto the path, these lessons will uplift and orient you. So let's dive in, not in pursuit of perfection, but in commitment to continuous progress. These lessons are your keys to a purposeful and resilient life. Buckle up. This is timeless wisdom you can apply today. 1. Seek challenges. Seneca deeply understood the value of challenge. Growth doesn't happen in the comfort zone. Life will constantly push you, and in those uncomfortable moments lies your greatest potential. Think of something you've been dodging, a tough project, a fitness goal, a personal fear. Go toward it. In discomfort, true strength is revealed. In the crucible of challenge, greatness is forged. 2. Choose your influences wisely. Seneca chose his company with care. While we can't pick our family, we can certainly choose our friends and role models. Who do you spend the most time with? Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? Surround yourself with those who challenge and elevate you. The people around you shape your mindset and ultimately your destiny. 3. Focus on your response. Life throws curveballs. Seneca's wisdom here is clear. It's not what happens to you, it's how you respond. Every situation is a blank canvas. Your reaction determines the outcome. Step back, breathe, respond with thought, not impulse. That's where real resilience begins. 4. Say yes to what matters in a world of endless distractions. Saying yes to what truly matters becomes an act of power. Every yes is a no to something else. Are your choices aligned with your deeper goals? Focus on impact, not activity. Prioritize what fuels your purpose and values. 5. Be a master of yourself. Self-discipline is the bedrock of personal development. Seneca preached self-mastery, controlling your actions, not others. Resist short-term pleasure for long-term progress. Self-mastery is not born overnight. It's a practice honed through consistency and intention. 6. Protect your time. Time is your most valuable asset, and once it's gone, it's gone. Are you guarding your hours like the treasure they are? Seneca reminded us to use time with purpose. Audit your days. Are they spent on what matters? Allocate your time in a way that reflects your values and ambitions. 7. Do the hard things. Greatness isn't gifted. It's earned through effort. Seneca urged rigorous discipline, both physical and mental. Difficult tasks forge resilience. Whether it's a tough workout, an emotional challenge, or a complex problem, lean into it. The forge of adversity shapes character. 8. Make others better. Seneca believed happiness lies in elevating others. Influence, not control. Inspire, don't judge. How do you affect those around you? Empower them. A rising tide lifts all ships, and your light can guide others. 9. Practice gratitude. Gratitude may not be named often in Stoic texts, but it pulses through every lesson. Each day, pause to appreciate life's gifts, from the mundane to the magnificent. Gratitude keeps you grounded in abundance, even amidst hardship. And embrace continuous learning. Seneca's belief in constant improvement is a call to lifelong learning. Stay curious, read, explore, ask questions. The world changes fast. Adaptability is your edge. And embrace vulnerability. True strength includes openness. Vulnerability, Seneca reminds us, isn't weakness, it's courage. Let go of the fear of judgment. Real connection and growth begin when we drop the mask and show up as we are. 12. Cultivate resilience through adversity. Adversity wasn't Seneca's enemy, it was his teacher. Every setback is an opportunity. Each challenge refines you. With each trial, your character strengthens and your resolve deepens. 13. Practice the art of reflection. Seneca valued reflection as essential to growth. Daily, pause to examine your actions, your thoughts, your path. This habit is your compass. It reveals where you're strong, where you've strayed, and how to recalibrate. Intentional reflection fuels intentional progress. 14. Cultivate a robust mindset. Your thoughts craft your world. Are they empowering or limiting? Train your mind to see opportunity instead of hardship. Focus on solutions. A strong mindset is your armor and your guide. 15. Live in alignment with your values. Your values are your North Star. Are you walking in harmony with them? Seneca believed a value-aligned life is an authentic life. When your decisions reflect your principles, you unlock peace, clarity, and purpose. These 15 lessons, drawn from Seneca's enduring wisdom, offer a roadmap for living with intention and integrity. This isn't about reaching perfection. It's about walking the path of progress. Choose one principle, apply it, let it take root. If this resonated with you, consider liking and subscribing. You're joining a community committed to growth, reflection, and wisdom. Thank you for your time and presence. Let's keep walking the Stoic path together. Till next time, stay grounded, stay curious, and never stop becoming.